Hey good people, welcome back to my channel, Thrifty Fly DIY. I'm your girl Denise Joy, the designer for the homeowner who wants to make their home custom on a budget. In today's episode, let's take a look at this radical backyard patio makeover. This is a 1925 bungalow and the backyard was in pretty rough shape. First thing I did was have the back patio repaved with concrete and put in a gorgeous retaining wall along with a side fence. And for 2 years I lived with it, but I always knew it was not the backyard of my dreams. So during the pandemic, I decided to create the backyard of my wildest dreams. First things first, finish fencing in the backyard. Why? Because privacy. We all crave privacy when we're sitting out in our backyard, whether we are alone or we are relaxing and barbecuing with family and friends. You could DIY a fence, but you want to check what the codes are in your particular city, state, or neighborhood. The last thing you want to do is be slapped with a fine, or even worse, be told you have to tear it down. After sprucing up the flower beds and getting the grass to grow just right, it was time for me to add the finishing touch to the patio. Although there's good tree coverage back here, I still get a good amount of sun, so I knew I wanted to have a gazebo. It took 2 days for this gazebo installation only because there was an issue with one of the bolts. Otherwise, it would have taken 1 day. I decided to anchor the gazebo in some weighted flower pots because I didn't want to drill into my brand new concrete. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think of the flower pots? I already had some furniture for my patio, but I wanted something that had more color, that was more comfortable, a little more plush, and would really just make a bold statement. So I went straight to Amazon to look for the perfect patio set. I found the perfect patio furniture set. I can't wait to reveal it to you. But while I waited for my set to arrive, I decided to give some love to this updated garden corner and really refresh my grilling station. The previous year, I had done a different stencil treatment in this corner, but nature wasn't so great and it didn't last. So this time, I decided to make it foolproof, indestructible. To accomplish my goal, I used this amazing product, Granite Grip, made by Bear, and you can pick it up at Home Depot. It's exclusively for outdoor concrete surfaces, and trust me, it is indestructible. A great tip is to create zones when you have a relatively on the smallish or medium-sized backyard, and depending upon your budget, you may not be able to build something custom, but you certainly can put some things together and give them both function and beauty. Now it's time for some furniture. I actually ended up getting this gorgeous furniture from Walmart. Excellent color, wonderful service, and it is so comfortable. So the other zones that I have in my backyard paradise are a dining zone, a seating and lounging zone, and a fire pit zone. Come on, y'all. I was waiting for one more piece before I made the final reveal, and it arrived. This absolutely dramatic, comfortable, outstanding floor covering. Just drink it in, the lusciousness of the color, the pop of the flower. I love flowers. It is a backyard after all. Take it all in. In the comments below, let me know what ideas you're getting from watching my backyard makeover. Hit the subscribe button. Like right now. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. It won't hurt you. Right now. Thank you for joining me on my journey of telling the story of how I took my backyard from this to ooh la la, this right here. in the next video.